There are three different issues related to the error and stability of the numerical method or the finite difference representation. They are actually quite subtle and very important in order to bound the errors that we can make for when we're dealing with a numerical method. So these features are the following: the consistency, stability, and convergence. So what is the consistency? We can say that a numerical scheme is said to be consistent if the finite difference representation converges to the partial differential equation we're trying to solve as the space and time steps tend to zero, as steps and as the space and time steps tend to zero. When spatial and time discretizations are kept separated, as it's in general case, consistency does not appear to be relevant. But the problem appears, and it has to be checked, therefore, when both time and space steps, these discretizations are mixed. So whenever you have mixed time and space discretizations, it's important to check actually the, uh, the convergence. We'll see a case, an example much later when dealing with different numerical finite different representations. We'll see that in some cases there might be some interesting issues related with the consistency. So the second one is the stability. A numerical scheme is said to be stable if the difference between the numerical solution and the exact one remains bounded as the number of steps tends to infinity. So when you increase the number of steps, either in time or space or space steps, then the difference or the error, the difference between the numerical solution and the exact has to remain bounded. Otherwise, if it keeps increasing the difference, if you increase the number of steps, then the system will be unstable. That's an important issue. That sometimes just looking at the finite difference representation, it's impossible to see if the method itself is stable or not. So it's important to go into detail and use and develop a method in order to check the stability. And the third one is the convergence. A scheme is said to converge if the difference between the numerical solution at a fixed point in the domain of interest tends to zero uniformly as the space and time discretizations tend to zero. So this is the third one, what's called the convergence. And there is a very important theorem. It's called the Lax equivalence theorem, which actually links these three different issues together. And the theorem basically says the following. Given a properly posed linear initial value problem and a consistent finite difference scheme, so if the finite difference scheme we do have is consistent, then stability is the only requirement for convergence. So basically, we have to analyze if the system is stable, then it will converge. So that's why, because of this theorem illustrates why we'll dedicate much effort to analyzing and understanding the stability. For us, the stability will be a very basic point in order to understand, in order to see, or in order to validate the numerical method. If the numerical method is stable, then it will converge, it will be convergence as well. So it will be valid, and will apply that in order to solve the numerically the partial differential equation.